top.
No, it's not top.
Then it's right here.
You think it's up top, but it's not.
Drop top.
Oh my god, it's a switch.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dang, that's dangerous looking.
Hell yeah.
It's like a goddamn sprocket.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's dangerous.
Man, that is so smooth. So the reason why this Corvette is in is because we're going to be tinting the car. It's a brand new car. And we're going to be Clearbraing the front end of it. Red on the outside, red on the inside. I love red interiors. You can't go wrong with red interiors, especially on a sports car with the carbon fiber accents and the red stitching. Shit.
Could you make a machine gun noise?
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Not all Clearbra brands are the same, so it pays to find the right one that won't hinder your paint from shining like it should. As you can see, even with the whole front end protected, you can't tell anything's even on there. Paint shines through effortlessly, and if anything, looks even glossier than before. Best part is that no matter how much you drive, your car can still look new. Windows are also tinted in PhotoSync for maximum heat rejection, and since our Clearbra is hydrophobic, here's a quick wire being test to show off the technology in the film. Easier cleaning and maintenance.